Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another Cirkul video because I have new items that they sent me that I wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you my bottle that I had purchased from them. So I have like an updated video for you guys. Do you want to know this exciting item that is in here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Cirkul did send me the products that are in this box free, not even to review, just because they really liked my video that I did for you guys. So they were showing their appreciation for my video, and they were sending me some new products. And when I got this today, I literally screamed. I am so excited for what's in here. But in my last video, I did tell you guys that I had already placed another order, and I got that order in. So I wanted to show you the bottle because I did get the stainless steel bottle. So this is a stainless steel bottle that I purchased. I got the black stainless steel, I got the black top, and then I got the black sleeve to go on it. And quite honestly, I don't think I need the sleeve for this particular bottle because this bottle doesn't really sweat like the plastic bottle does. But I bought it because I have it. But if you were to get the stainless steel, I don't think you would absolutely need to have this, but it does kind of give it a better feel. It feels good in my hand, and I like that it's like a no slip with this cover, but I probably didn't need it is what I'm saying. But anyway, I really like this bottle. It's a little bit heavier, so sometimes I think I have water in there and really I don't, but it's just something to get used to. But I really like this. It keeps it so cold, where like the other bottle I would put ice cubes in, and after a while the ice cubes are completely melted. This one I could put ice cubes in it and the ice cubes stay in there for a couple bottles length. So I really like the stainless steel bottle because it keeps it a lot colder. You don't have to go stainless steel, but if you wanted to purchase a stainless steel, it does keep it a lot colder, and I really like this design. So again, they did send me some new flavors to try and something that I'm so excited about. So again, they did not send me this for a review, but I wanted to show you guys because I think it's amazing. So again, I wanted to show you my stainless steel cup, which I'm actually drinking that right now. And the first day that I got it, because I was completely out of all flavors, because when I did that review, I literally drank every single flavor to the very last drop before I even finalized that review for you guys. So when I finalized, I had no more sips available. Like, I had no more flavoring. Couldn't drink anything. So the day that I got that, I literally hurry up and I washed it, dried it, put in a sip, and I started drinking it. And I think I drank like 5 or 6 bottles of water, like back to back, without even knowing what I was doing. I mean, I knew I was drinking it, but I was drinking water. These things are fooling. I love these because it definitely keeps me hydrated. It keeps me drinking water, and it doesn't taste like water because of their nice little flavors that they have in there. So this is what they sent me again, you guys, and I'm so excited. So excited. So they sent me a little card and they said, Tracy, we are so happy to hear you are loving your sips. Your review was great. We love it. We hope you love your new custom bottle. Best, Cirkul family. Did you hear what I said? Custom bottle. I totally forgot to mention, because I wasn't quite sure how it worked, even though I saw it on their website. They have a section where their bottles, you can actually customize the bottles. So to me, I would think you would probably upload a photo, whatever photo or image that you would like, and then they print it on like a little sleeve that they put over the plastic bottles. Custom bottle, okay? Now, the reason why I wanted to show you this is because I can show you a custom bottle so you can see how neat this is. So definitely, even if you wanted to give this as a gift for somebody who is into fitness, or just anybody in general that doesn't even really like to drink water but needs to drink water, this is a gift for anybody, down to the person that doesn't do any type of fitness to the person that is all about fitness. I mean, and everybody in between, this would be an amazing gift. But if you wanted to do the customized bottle, you can customize it with probably like a photo or their name, or if it was a business, their logo, or like for your boss or coworker. I mean, the sky's the limit when it comes to customizing something. So that's just an idea of like a birthday, an anniversary, a Christmas gift, anything like that. You can customize the bottle and give it as a gift, and it'd be amazing. So I got this, and I'm thinking it's just a regular plastic bottle. No. So I'm gonna show you this way, and then you're gonna see why I screamed. Are you ready? That's right. They made me a SheCrafty water bottle, you guys. I'm like, I'm not even mad that they printed my logo. Like, that is amazing. Like, what? When I pulled that out, like, I literally screamed. I was so excited. And I'm still so excited. So I definitely wanted to unbox this now because I want to wash this and I want to start using this. That is just amazing, you guys. Look, who crafty? SheCrafty. Bam, bam, bam. Like, what? Custom water bottle, you guys. Where'd you get that from? That's SheCrafty. So you can literally put anything on the bottle, you guys. That is amazing. Again, I saw that they had a customizable section with their water bottles, but I never would have known like something like this would have happened. And I'm just excited. I'm so excited. I wrote them back and I was like, oh my gosh, like really, oh my gosh. Like, I screamed when I opened this. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, like thank you. You did not have to do this because they sent me the products originally for my review. They did not need to send me more. But I'm so glad that they did, and I'm so glad that I can show you what a customized bottle looks like now, you guys. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? I'm so excited. But they did send me some sips too. Woo, woo, woo. From the Life Sip section, I got strawberry kiwi, which that sounds really good. I got 2 of those, so strawberry kiwi. I can't wait to try. Here is the Go Sip. This is healthy energy. This is a cherry lemonade. That sounds amazing. Here's my favorite, the sweet tea lemon. And this is the Life Sip. Oh my gosh, I love those. And when I did purchase my other order, I did purchase a few of these, which I've already drank them. So now I got some more. And then here's the raspberry tea. And I did grab one of these and I really, really like the raspberry tea as well. So I'm so glad to have more of those. And then, oh, here's another cherry one, you guys. This one's a white cherry. Ooh. So there's a white cherry. That one is on the Fit Sip. The other one was a cherry lemonade. And then here is a Life Sip watermelon. You know, I love me some watermelon, you guys. So I definitely wanted to pop on and do a quick little update to show you guys what the stainless steel bottle would look like and what the custom bottle would look like. That is just amazing. I might put my black one on here because I think it'll look really cool with the black one, and then put my blue one on here because then it gives this one a little bit of color. But that's the thing with these. You can get all different colors and you can change them with your style, with your outfit, with the seasons, with your mood. You can just get the lids. So you have the lid and then you have the actual bottle, and then the sleeves can be different colors, or you can customize it. So this is just fully customizable to make it more unique to yourself, and you're going to drink a lot more water, you guys. These are just amazing. I'm already probably, I think, on my 3rd bottle today since I got home. I just drink water like there's no tomorrow now. And I'm constantly peeing, which is good because it's flushing out your system. So you know it's working when you're peeing a lot. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for making my own custom water bottle. Like, this is amazing, you guys. So if you haven't checked them out, or if you already did check them out, this is what a custom bottle would look like, or you can just get the regular ones. But I wanted to show you that this is possible. This is amazing. So thank you again so much. I greatly appreciate it. This is just like, I'm just like beyond almost speechless. Like, I just think this was the nicest thing. Like, I'm just speechless. Nobody does things really like that. So when a company liked my review so much that they actually put something on a custom thing to take time out of their day to send me something else, like, I'm almost gonna tear up. Like, it just means so much to me, and it just makes me feel like what I'm doing actually people appreciate, and that's rare in life. See, I'm gonna get choked up because it just means so much to me. It's just so sweet that they actually did this. They didn't have to, and that's just amazing, you guys. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of my sips, and before I have, like, I'm down to the end, I'm gonna place a new order so I don't go without them, because I just love these, and this is just gonna keep me hydrated, like I said, you guys. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this updated video so I can show you the customizable bottle and the stainless steel bottle if you were interested, with more sips and different flavor options. So, oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much again. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew out.